Welcome to English in a Minute. This expression sounds like a violent way of eating, but it's actually not always about eating.
Here is your Russian book, Anna. Thanks for letting me borrow it.
Oh, are you done with level 1 already?
Yeah, I finished last week, and I've already finished level 2.
Wow, you are really sinking your teeth into learning Russian.
Well, I just want to impress my new friend.
To sink your teeth into something can mean to take a very large bite of food, but as an idiom, it means to become very involved and interested in something new. You might sink your teeth into a book, a new project at work, or in Jonathan's case, learning a language. And that's English in a Minute.